Good day, my name is Nonhlanhla, an investment specialist at Sanlam Corporate Investments. I'll be providing a performance update on the Sanlam Passive Lifestage strategy for the quarter ended 31 March 2023. The Sanlam Passive Lifestage strategy uses the Cetrix Enhanced Balance Tracker Fund as the underlying portfolio in the accumulation phase. The portfolio is managed on a passive basis, that is, it tracks an underlying index for each asset class. The portfolio's objective is to offer a cost-effective, high long-term investment growth. The Sanlam Passive Lifestage strategy utilizes the Sanlam Capital Protection portfolio in the preservation phase of the strategy. The portfolio was selected given its objective to protect the invested capital by offering a guarantee on the net contributions invested. The portfolio invests in the Sanlam Stable Bonus portfolio. Markets were turbulent in the first quarter of 2023, both globally and locally. Globally, we experienced the banking crisis in mid-March with the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, to name one example. And locally, we continue to experience the electricity crisis with load shedding, and the country was grey-listed in February by the Financial Action Task Force. Despite the economic challenges, the Cetrix Enhanced Balanced Tracker Fund performed well with a return of 5.1% for the quarter. This was mostly attributed to the excellent returns in January 2023. Looking at the asset class attribution, majority of the asset classes had a positive contribution to the portfolio's performance, with local property being the only asset class to detract the performance. The local property market has been slowing down due to lower demand for property, due to the weakening economy and rising interest rates. The preservation phase of the Sanlam Passive Lifestage strategy continues to deliver stable, dependable positive returns for the investors. Over the first quarter of 2023, the capital protection portfolio gave investors a return of 2.4%, outperforming inflation by 1.4%. Over the long term, the portfolio continues to live up to expectation, and that is to protect investors' capital by protecting them from adverse market movements. In closing, the Sanlam Passive Lifestage strategy aims to provide high long-term investment growth to members. Both the accumulation phase and the preservation phase portfolios have continued to give members good returns despite the turbulent market we have experienced over the past few years since the beginning of the pandemic. This strategy is suitable for members who require capital growth over a long-term period and capital protection when they're nearing retirement, so they can save and retire with confidence.